Let's take a look at a feature available to you that goes way beyond coupons. Cell phone protection. Start by opening your mobile app and tapping More, the last button on the bottom toolbar. Or if you're on an Android phone, the last button in the upper toolbar in the upper right-hand corner. From there, choose Cell Phone Protection. And here's what you need to know about this valuable feature. First, with cell phone protection, you can report 2 events a year of either a broken or stolen phone, where you can be reimbursed up to $400 for each event. That's a possible reimbursement of up to $800 every 12 months. So, if you break your phone in May, you have until that same date the next year to file another claim, and then it starts over. You're covered for the lifetime of the account, and that's a huge savings. The second thing to remember is all about the details. To be eligible, you must pay the cell phone bill of the affected phone the month before the incident occurs from your Get More checking account. For example, let's say you just opened a new Get More checking account in April, and your first cell phone bill was paid from that account in May. That means starting June 1st, you're eligible for reimbursement should your phone be broken or stolen. That's simple enough, huh? For more details, you can always call Bazing at 855-822-9464. To start a claim, head out to bazing.com for the appropriate forms. Be prepared to submit a copy of your cell phone bill as well as proof of payment of last month's bill